Welcome to the heart of Dubai in the United Arab Emirates, where luxury meets technology. We're here to discuss the vital topic of water purification, something often overlooked in our daily lives. While many are familiar with simple filtration systems installed under our kitchen sinks, safeguarding your water goes beyond the basics. First, let's talk about maintenance, a crucial aspect of ensuring your water remains pristine. In many homes, especially those left unoccupied for extended periods, there's a hidden threat: the formation of biofilm. This biofilm buildup is not just a matter of cleanliness, it can also have serious consequences for your water quality and health. Flushing and disinfecting your pipes to eliminate biofilm buildup is essential. That's where our natural disinfectant, Aspida, comes into play. It keeps your water pathways clean, ensuring a steady flow of pure water throughout your home, even in extreme climate conditions. We also recommend a central household purification system that covers all water outlets within your home. Our systems combine the latest filtration solutions with advanced oxidation technology and ultraviolet disinfection and sterilization to achieve just that. Finally, for the ultimate water quality experience, our 7-stage filtration system in combination with our central water purification system will deliver the sweetest drinking water directly to a dedicated tap in your kitchen. The system ensures that every drop you consume is clean and safe, an eco-friendly alternative to those 5-gallon water drums and dispensers we have in our home, which require regular disinfecting to prevent bacteria buildup. In a world where clean water is a precious resource, we are committed to ensuring that every drop you use is pure and safe.